Traders, and welcome for another market update. So today we are going to have a look at indices, and we'll start with the SP500, S&P 500. Basically, like the fall that we've had and that lasted for the previous, like that lasted almost, like 1 month, is being, like price has been, like correcting, or at least, like regaining almost, like more than half of what has been lost. Okay, so price has been rising, but not very aggressively. If we see the price movement is mainly, like a channel that has been formed since, like the fall. I mean, since we got started, we've had this channel. Okay, so we've had this channel that followed, like this impulsive or sharp move up. This first phase was a sharp move up, and it was followed by a channel that is, and as we can see, like at the end we have price, like even moving above the channel. What is important to note and what is important to discuss right now is that I plotted this, but I will plot it again so you can see it. So what have I added? So apart from like the retracement levels of Fibonacci, I am plotting also, like the extension levels, so I have an idea of where this potential move can lead us to. Okay, and from what we can see, which starts around here, let me just plot it right. So starting around here, so if we are starting around here, we can also, like have another channel being drawn. Let me just try this one, because like this is not, I mean, this is not a precise science, but we are trying just to we are trying just to like to get the channel go through, like at least two points. Okay, and this is the definition of a channel. Channel should, like go through 2 points, and it should be, like the first ones of the move. Okay, so this one is also a valid, I mean, it's a valid draw of a channel. I will show you. So this is one, this is two, and this is one at the top. Okay, these are all you need, like to draw a channel, and there is no channel better than the other, at least. But the most precise channels are the one that are I mean that go through like prices that have been printed at the beginning of the channel. So trying to do something like this, which and trying to have price, go through these points, is not as valid as this one. Of course, price can diverge from the channel, but you'll see in the coming, I mean, in the coming days, or even in the coming weeks, that price is going to correct and is going to react aggressively, or is going to have a reaction at this level, and you'll see it. Why? Because like it has also a confluence with this level, etc., and this one. So what is my expectation for S&P? Well, S&P 500 has been, like it has bounced off a very major and strong level. So it bounced off this level, which is the 29, like 29, 32 or 33, and since it has bounced off this level, which corresponds to the 1.618 of the extension level of Fibonacci, and which is a confluence with the 61% of, you know, like the retracement of, you know, like the large, you know, like down move that we had during the month of February and March, meaning that we can either, you know, like break I mean the channel to, I mean, to the downside, and in this case we would go to 26 to 24 40 43. In the other on the other hand, if we have price, you know, like come back up, right? So if we have price, you know, like continue up, which is also a potential, I mean, which also can be a potential trade, but first of all you have to see, you know, like a correction. All right, you have to see a correction, you have to see price correcting and staying above this main level, because this level is major, it's huge. So if price stays above this level, expect it to go test, you know, like the 3000 levels again. Okay, so this is my forecast, and trade with care, and also wait for price, you know, like closing and at least making double bottoms, or, you know, like trying 2 times before, you know, like buying or selling. Okay, so wait always for a confirmation before placing an order. And I wish you a good start of the week, and if you need anything, there is my email, you know, like in the description. You can, you know, like contact me and ask me questions. This is all for free, and I'll try to get back to you as soon as possible. I answer all requests that I get. 100% of requests that I get, I answer them. Okay, thank you, bye.